Hello everyone, I'm Mayor Gaul with some updates from our last council meeting, including updates on transportation and infrastructure. We heard updates on transportation and infrastructure projects needed as we continue to grow. Council heard 3 options on potential plans that continue to move projects forward while managing our debt over the next fiscal year. We discussed proposed improvements to FM 1660 in Limmer Loop and FM 1660 and Highway 79 projects. We will continue to work on engineering, acquiring right-of-way, and relocating utilities until construction begins. Other projects discussed include improved ditches in the Legends of Hutto to address erosion issues, County Road 132 overpass, Old Town's restoration, and drainage at Cottonwood Creek. Improvements are coming to some sidewalks across town. Council approved funding for the concrete to maintain and create sidewalks in the neighborhoods around town and Creekside Park, as well as making more ADA accessible ramps. Our city is growing quickly, and we're working to plan for our future by making sure our water supply meets the needs of our residents and businesses. City Council is looking into options on how we can meet all our needs while managing our rates. Be sure to visit our website as we go through our next steps in our budget process and search for our new city manager. Stay safe, stay cool, and stay hydrated, Hutto.